Hi everybody, I'm Bethany, also known as Relove Maui on the Poshmark app as well as on Instagram. I am a clothing reseller on the island of Maui in Hawaii, and today I have a giant yard sale haul for you guys. It's definitely one of the biggest ones I've had here featured, and it's also the most cost-effective one for sure. And it's a pretty big batch, and some of it is actually already sold, including the first item I'm going to show you, and is waiting to be sent to its new home. So I'm just going to jump right into this for you guys. Okay, getting into my yard sale haul here. Here's my rack of items, and then there's more stuff over here on this table. This is all stuff from the same haul. It was 130 items in total, for which I spent $112. So I don't usually get that lucky. I don't usually get that much stuff for that amount of money, but I did this time. I got really lucky this past Saturday. So definitely feel blessed and I'm grateful for it. I don't count on that always being the case, but I'm happy when it does happen. And I'll just jump into it here for you guys. So this first item is really one of my favorites. It's a Zara brand and it's a size medium. Just this like kind of prairie style, just really cool. As soon as I saw this, I knew it was something special and I had to have it. So love this, absolutely gorgeous. Next up is an American Eagle Outfitters prairie style, kind of a peasant top, very flowy, almost like a tunic. It's got some kind of like a wide ruffle around the bottom and around the sleeves, and it's a size small. Next up is a Free People sweater, so it's kind of a nubby fabric, kind of a tan nubby fabric with some pockets, and the back is really cool. It's got some buttons on the back, and it's a size extra small, although I think it could fit probably up to a size medium. It doesn't look very small. This next brand, Inomi, I was not familiar with. I looked it up. It doesn't look like it's anything particularly high-end, but it's a really cool piece. This is a size medium and has like a bird print on it. It's a jumper, so it's got these wide legs. I think this is just really cool. It's kind of cropped, so the legs aren't full length. Yeah, just a really cool piece there. Next up, I love this as soon as I saw it. It's a little dress with a drawstring at the waist, and I just love these colors. I love the print. I think it's just very boho and cool. I don't think it has a size listed, but I'd say it's a small, and the brand is Yoko Girl. And next up, this is a designer, Italian designer. I'm not 100% sure how to say that. Patrizia Pepe, I'll just say size 1. I'm guessing that size 1 is like a 1, 2, 3, 4 type of sizing, so I'm guessing it's a small. Yeah, just a really beautiful kind of drapey style, and I love that it's a racer back too. That's actually really cool. I may actually be trying this guy on before I decide if I want to part with it. And next up, I just got this for the style. The brand is Fashion Nova, so nothing too remarkable, but it's a little jumper or romper, long sleeve, floral, gray background, and it's new with tags, size small, very cute. This next one, it made me laugh, so I bought it. If a shirt makes me laugh, I'll usually buy it. It says, "I can't even." I just love that little cropped white t-shirt, and I don't know the size. I'm guessing it's a medium. And next up, I really like this. I was tempted to keep this. It's not really my colors, but it's a Victoria's Secret halter top, and it's very flowy. It's got like this handkerchief type hemline, and then it's got this chain that's the neck that is the halter. So it's like a necklace basically, and then it hangs down in the back. It's just a really cool look, I think. And then it's a super low back dip in the back, and then it's got this little scrunchy style, and it's a size medium. It's even my size. Man, that's really cute. I love this. Next up, another favorite of mine. This is a blanket style scarf from Banana Republic, and it's got pink ends, and then it's gray in the middle, and it's brand new with tags, and it was originally $78. So just great quality. It just feels awesome. It'd be great for traveling. Next up, a pair of Rockin' Republic little skinnies, and they look like jeggings, like jean style jeggings, but they're actually knit. So they're I guess truly jeggings, you could say, because they're more like a legging material. I'm not spotting the size right away, but they look like about a 26 or so. And yeah, just really cute, Rockin' Republic. And I just got this for the style. The brand's Body Central, so nothing special, but it's a size small, and it's a lace little top. You know, I love this kind of stuff. I love lace. One of my favorite fabrics that there are. And this I spotted right away. I thought it was really cool. It's just a International Concepts from Macy's, size 6, and it's a kind of a patchwork style maxi dress. I just think it's a really cool color combo, and I really like the look. Very feminine and pretty. And a couple pairs of super distressed jeans here. These are just totally busted jeans, which I love also. And these are, the brand is Cello, and they are a size 9. Very, very cute. Very, very beat. And again, another pair of super beat up jeans. These are, the brand is Special A, which I'm not super up on. And they're a size medium, which is kind of random, but for jeans. But anyway, very beat up, very cute. Next up, this was cool. So this is a Banana Republic jacket, and it's brand new with tags. And this lady was selling a whole bunch of them, all brand new with tags. And I got like 4 total. And this one's a petite small, but they were all different sizes too. So that's really cool. Yeah, that should be a good sale on Poshmark. So Banana Republic, yeah, brand new with tags jackets. I think the original price was like $150 something or something like that. Let's see. Oh, $139.99 originally, yeah. Okay, and then there's the back. And then next up, these are DL 1961. I actually wasn't super up on this brand, but they do pretty well, it looks like. It looks like it's sold, I think, at Nordstrom. And Margot is the style. These are a size 26, and they're kind of a plum wine color, I would say. Really nice, actually. Really nice jeans. And this is a really cool, like, tunic style dress. Very flowy, very kind of a distressed, intentionally distressed fabric. Beach by Exist is the brand, and it is a size large. Yeah, I like this piece a lot. This didn't have a tag at all. Actually, a couple pieces here didn't have a tag at all, but they were just really cool style, so I grabbed them. I think this is probably around a size medium, and it's just a kind of a twist front style top. Gorgeous print. I just love this. I think it's beautiful. And this one is, it's basically like it's like a shirt dress, I guess. It's sheer, though. You probably just wear it over something, but it's like a very cool flowered print, size medium. Yeah, there's some maxi, like, sheer long shirt, basically. This is really fun. It's a lace, again, long pink vest. So like a pink maxi vest. And the brand is Polyester, which is pretty funny. Kind of a little clever brand there. Yeah, just really cool. That would really spice up an outfit. This is a men's Adidas jacket, and it's a size 2XL. And it's just fleece on the bottom, nylon on the top, men's jacket. Very warm. This dress is really cool because of the back. So it's from a brand called Mahino, which is a store here on Maui. I sell a lot of this stuff because I get a lot of it in. And this is a size small, and the back is like really cool. It's got this strappy style to it. It's kind of a low back. Really pretty. This next brand is Sanctuary, so nice brand here. This is a green, kind of an olive green blouse. Very, very soft. I think it's rayon, size XL. A couple pairs of American Eagle shorts here. We know I love American Eagle denim. These are jean shorts, little cutoffs, high waist, high rise American Eagle jean shorts. These are the same style. So these are just the regular jean color, and these are like a kind of a purplish burgundy, maybe. Yeah, really cute. And next up, this is a really beautiful shirt. It's a BCBG Max size Rio, size medium, and it's a silk blouse. Yeah, so really pretty, great quality. I bought this from the same lady that was selling those jackets. It's also new with tags, and it's an extra, extra large women's sweater, kind of a blue and gray, wide stripes on that, XXL. Really nice. And these are J. Crew Mercantile jeans. Kind of slim cropped, skinny cropped, size 29. And yeah, just really cool. I don't know what that stripe is called. If someone knows what that stripe is called, tell me in the comments, please, so then I'll know. And this is Esley is the brand, and I just think it's really cute. It's a black top with like a sheer cream lace overlayer, size medium. Really pretty. The brand is Lily White, which I don't really actually know what that is, but it's in size 8, it says. But it's like it's just a really feminine, kind of, it's like actually embroidered peach tank top. Very, very pretty, very feminine. This next one I don't think is going to see the light of day because I think I'm keeping it. It needs a lint roller too. I'm sorry about that. But it's from Rockin' Republic. Somewhere there's a tag. There it is. Oh, Love Republic. I'm sorry. Love Republic. And I'm guessing it's a size medium, and it's got this cool style. It's got open sides. Just connected there with that little band. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm keeping this. For sure. I'll wear a cute little bralette under it. This is a hoodie. Vibes is what it says on the front. And just a cool hoodie. I don't know if it's for... I don't know if it's meant. Oh, it must be girls because it's a size large, and the brand is Empire. Either that or it's like for a teenage boy. But either way, I mean, it's cool. It's cool for whoever. I like it a lot. This is a Gap bodysuit, and I know bodysuits are pretty popular right now, so I was stoked about this. And it's a size large, gray, very soft, very very soft. This is Dottie, which is like usually like swim cover-ups. That's pretty much all I've seen from them is swim cover-ups, and this is like a gauzy brown swim cover-up. I don't see size, but it looks like it's probably around a medium, or maybe it's like a one size type of thing. And this is an express flowy black tank top. This is really pretty too. I actually also really like this. Obviously, I'm a fan of black. It's flowy, kind of a handkerchief hem, and it's kind of a silky feel to it too. It's a size medium. This is a Nick and Zoe skirt. I think I'm right about that. Yeah, Nick and Zoe, size 2. Little, kind of like a little linen skirt. A little simple, kind of A-line. It's got the stretchy waist, which I like that because it makes them fit really well. Another American Eagle Outfitters top here. This is just a black, flowy AE top. Size XS. Oh, and it's actually got an under layer too. It's got a little tank top built in. These are some cabbie jeans. So I'll show these here. Slim leg. Size. Oh, it says straight. So high straight. So it must be high-waisted straight leg. Size 10. And the cabbie jeans. And this is a little jean crop jacket. We know I love these. Highway Jeans is the brand, size large. And it's got these little rolled up sleeves with little tabs to hold them up. Kind of funky. Size large. And next up, these are some Victoria's Secret pink yoga is what it's called by Victoria's Secret pants. And size medium. Yeah, size medium. Okay, this is just another pair of distressed denim. These are gray, little skinnies, little raw hems, which I love too. These are Refuge, size 2. Yeah, nothing fancy on the brand, but I like gray denim like this, washed out, kind of wash black basically. And I thought this dress was really cute. It's a maxi dress, and it's another one that doesn't have a tag. I think these are all from the same place. I don't know if they're like samples or something, but they're all really cute. Very, very cute prints. Yeah, so extra large on this one, and just a cool, beautiful print maxi dress. Okay, I just like this top. It's kind of almost like a sweatshirt material. It's like a heavier material. It's Banana Republic. And size extra small. It says extra small, but it looks like it runs a little big. But it's like a gray, almost like a space dye stripe. Zipper in the back. Banana Republic jeans, skinnies. And these are a size 26. A lot of my jeans are small today, so that's just how it went. These are Banana Republic skinny fit, black jeans, kind of a wash black. Those are a size 10. And another pair of cello jeans, another kind of somewhat distressed, well, very distressed at the bottom actually, but a different distressing on these. These are a size 7. And this is a men's Lucky Brand thermal, and kind of an intentionally distressed look to that. It's got a 4-way clip on the front, so that's kind of cool. Size XXL on that. Vintage inspired. Lucky. These, I need to look up this brand because I know I've sold this in the past, but I haven't sold it in a while and I can't really remember. Susan Graver is the brand. I just thought these pants were really cool. They're like a skinny leg, kind of like a cargo, but not cargo in a good way. Little pockets on the legs. And they're knit, so they're like a stretchy fabric. This is a men's Tommy Bahama shirt. It's like a camp style silk shirt. And I did notice it's missing a button after the fact, but it does have a spare button that I can move up if I want to. So yeah, men's Tommy Bahama silk shirt, size XXL. These are a pair of little skinny Gap pants. These are a size 2 skinny ankle pants. These are new with tags too, which is nice. And okay, next up, pair of Lucky Brand. I think these are like a straight leg, maybe. Yeah, straight leg. And they're size 0. And these pants these are small ones. Size 25 ankle style. And I really like this shirt actually. It's a men's shirt, and it's a Quicksilver collection. And it's like it feels like linen, or it might be just cotton, but it kind of has a linen feel to it. But it's nice straight men's Quicksilver shirt. This is Vince Camuto, little top, little cold shoulder top, some ties. Really cute. It says medium. It looks like it runs small. It looks very small to me. A little romper here from Roxy. Size, what size? Medium. And kind of like a gray washed look. Intentionally distressed look on this. Real cute. Really, really cute. This I just got for the style too, all Fashion Nova, and it's like a thermal, like a super soft, flowy thermal material with stripes on the sleeves. Really, really cool. I like this a lot. Just like a flowy top. I don't see a size, but it looks like it might be a large. And next up, a little Forever 21 jacket, little kind of moto style jean jacket, kind of a wash black color. Lots of zippers and cool details on this. Very cute. I'll grab Forever 21 if it's cute, if it's different. Okay, and these, I love American Eagle down. These do have a little pulling, but they're American Eagle Outfitters, little skinny jeans, distressed. I think they're a size 2. Yeah, size 2 on those. And Banana Republic, little skinny pants, size 2. These are green, little cropped skinny pants from Banana. Ann Taylor Loft dress here, little belted, cute little dress, great to wear to work, size 4 petite. And I love this piece, just got it for the style. Very flowy Aztec print sweater, lightweight, almost like a kimono style. And, oh, size 3XL. The brand is Blushed. Size 3XL. Wow, okay, cool. Like finding larger size items, especially when they're that cute. Love this. Okay, American Eagle Outfitters. Again, some more like jegging style jeans. Super ripped up on these. Black, size 2. And the last item I'm going to show from this rack is, I think, it's a surf brand, I think. Oh yeah, O'Neill. An O'Neill dress, size large, and it's peach and black print. And I like the back because it's got a racer back. I really like racer backs. Okay, so that's that rack of clothes. That was 60 of the items actually, right there. So 60 items that I went over with you guys. I definitely cannot go over all of them. It would get ridiculously long. Oh, there's a scarf I'll show you too. This is a really pretty, pretty scarf. It's simply Vera Wang. Sheer pink. Just gorgeous. I love this a lot. And here's the tag. Simply Vera Wang. A few pairs of shoes here I'll show you too, or 2 pairs of shoes and a belt, and then I'll wrap this up just because it's a lot of stuff and I don't want to take too much time, but I did want to show you at least a portion of it. So these are a pair of Clark's Artisan. I just love these. I think they're beautiful. Clogs, very nice leather. They're a 6.5. Really nice condition too. This is a Gap belt, and it's just a nice. I always go for a nice leather belt. A nice solid leather belt with a cool buckle on it. And these are a pair of shoes. The brand is Umberto Ruffini. Nice leather shoes as well. I'm guessing these are also a 6.5. They're from the same person. All right, thank you so much for following along with my yard sale haul video. I definitely enjoy sharing these with you guys and following along with your videos as well. Please give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Also hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my videos. And also give me a follow on Poshmark as well as on Instagram, Relove Maui everywhere. And leave me a comment there too. I'd love to follow you back. Have a fantastic day. Aloha.